Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, a channel with a target for knowledge and growth. On this channel, every video is a step towards enlightenment. Are you ready to embark on a journey filled with knowledge, inspiration and empowerment? Then look no further. In today's video, I crafted it with care and precision to provide you with valuable insights and life-changing information. Whether you are looking to learn a new skill in Germany, we've got you covered. Are you a professional or a non-professional who's ready to embark on a new adventure in Germany? Whether you're just starting out or you're looking for a fresh career path, vocational training could be your gateway to success. So why do you choose Germany? Why do you want to study in Germany? Germany is renowned for its robust vocational training system. You earn and learn, offering a unique blend of hands-on experience and academic learning. As you learn, you earn, and it can be academic as well. It's a perfect place to develop skills in a practical setting and open doors to a multitude of career opportunities. In this vocational training, we'll have the Berufe and the Ausbildung as well. This will be explaining later. Don't forget, join our community of like-minded people and learn how they integrated and successfully into Germany. Get inspired by their stories and how you can easily integrate into your new environment. By watching this video, you're not just benefiting yourself, you are also becoming a beacon of knowledge for your friends and families and community. Share our videos and help spread the wealth of knowledge of information to those around you. Together, we can create a network of informed and inspired individuals. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification button as well to stay updated on all our latest content. Your journey to integrating into Germany with vocational training must be a success. So today I'll be discussing the first career path, which is about nature. This is a continuation video. If you are all about nature, then this is a video for you. The first career path is specializing in gardening and landscaping. That is Fachrichtung Garten und Landschaftsbau. That is specializing in gardening and landscaping. The duration is 3 years. If you want to go into this career path, it is 3 years. And let's not forget, 4.1 and 2 has been discussed in previous videos. It's in the playlist, you can watch them. The duration is 3 years and it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. That means it is a recognized training. Do you need certificates? If you have your university qualification certificate, your secondary school living or your high school living, that is your Hauptschulabschluss, your Hochschulreife or Realschulabschluss, any of the certificates, then you can go further into this career path. So if you want to specialize in gardening and landscaping, what do you do in this job? Those that specialize, they design gardens and parks, the beautiful gardens and the parks we see. That is what they do. They create all kinds of outdoor facilities, from home gardens, terraces and parks to playgrounds, sports fields and traffic islands. So they make paths, square paths. So if you are interested in this career path, you are a lover of nature, this is a career you want to look into. You like planting greenery on roofs of arcades, and let's not forget, they also contribute to environmental conservation by cultivating landfills and gravel pits. They make sure that the environment is conserved. Where do they find employment? They find employment in special garden companies, landscaping and sports field construction companies, and also in municipal garden centers. So if you are interested in planting gardens, then this is a career you will all want to look into. If you are all about nature as well, this is not the end of the career I'll be discussing in this video. You can watch the next video. It's about vegetable gardening. So see you there. So welcome back. This is the second career path, which is the Fachrichtung Gemüsebau, that is specializing in vegetable gardening. It's also 3 years. It's also an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. Certificates required: you need your Hochschulreife, Hauptschulabschluss, and your Realschulabschluss. That's your secondary school living certificate, your high school living certificate. What do they do? These are gardeners in the area of specialty of vegetable gardening. They propagate and cultivate vegetables, leaf vegetables, as well as herbs and cultivated mushroom. They work the soil, the water, fertilize the young plants, and bring them to maturity. Depending on the season and the type of system, they do computer controlled irrigation and fertilization. They also do ventilation, lighting, or shading. They sell their products to wholesale markets, retailers, or directly to consumers. So gardeners specializing in vegetable also produce varieties which can be stored and later for sale. So where do they find employment? They find employment in vegetable growing companies, in commercial horticultural companies, and in agricultural companies with vegetable cultivation. That is where they find employment. So let's not forget, like I said, this is a second career path. The third career path, which is specialty in fruit growing, will be also discussed in the coming video. Still in this video, you get a job. Where do you find the job? You find the job in vegetable companies, in commercial horticultural companies. It's 3 years. It's also an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf, and you can also work depending on the season and type of plant. They use heated greenhouses as well. They can work in the open field or in greenhouses. So see you in the next video. Welcome back. This is the fifth career path, and that is a specialty in fruit growing. That is Fachrichtung Obstbau. Fachrichtung Obstbau, that is specialty in fruit growing. As the picture beside me depicts, you are specialized in growing of fruit. Do you need a certificate? Yes, you also do. Like I mentioned in the 2 previous sections of this video, the same certificate, that is what you need. More so, it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It's a recognized training. It's a recognized vocational training. So those are into specialty of fruit growing. What do? They produce soft fruits such as apples, pears, cherries, plums, that is pflaume, strawberries, raspberries, or currants, black currants. They select the varieties, planting area. They select the planting area. They cultivation system. They propagate the plant. They grow them and harvest the ripe fruits, which then they sell. So unless they use organic cultivation methods, they take care and protect the environment and use as few chemicals as possible. When it's possible, they don't use any chemicals when it comes to plant protection and fertilization when it comes to fruits. So they sell their products to wholesale markets, retailers, or directly to consumers. So they are into specialty of fruits, anything apples, plums, currants. That is what they are specialized in. So where do they find employment? They find employment in fruit growing companies, in nurseries with integrated tree nurseries as well. Let's not forget, this is not the end of the careers under this area of specialization. Stay tuned for more green careers in our next video. Until then, keep it natural, and don't forget, your journey to integrating into Germany through vocational training must be a success. So hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification to stay updated when we drop latest careers or vocational careers, about more information or options that you have in Germany. So see you in the next video.